Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to animate in Tinkercad. So first of all, what we need to do is import some objects or just select a different figures so you'll be able to do some animation. So I will select just random objects right now and I'm going to show you how it will work. So let's say I will put something here. Also I will put, let's say, ball right here. And now to animate these figures, what you'll need to do is click right here, and in this animation workspace, what you'll need to do is select these like axle connector, a slider connector. Let me see what is this. Pivot connector and tracer. So for this tutorial I will select axle connector, and now what I will do is, let's say, put it somewhere around here, and now you'll have these one orange and one blue color. So for the blue color, make sure to add that to the moving part, and the orange color for the part that stays in place. And now you can select axle connector motor type. As you can see, continuous servo or stepper. So I'll select continuous and add motor RPM. So let's say I will add 10 RPM, or let's say 13. And now what we'll need to do is click on this play button, and you'll basically see that it moves around, but we did one mistake. Right here on the triangle, make sure it is a static on the pyramid, and now as you can see it moves around. Okay, so let's reset, and that moves something around. So you get an idea how you can do, and if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.